ever wondered, what does love have to do with observation? Hi, I'm Kathy Leitch, Executive Director of the International Montessori Council, and I'm passionate about Dr. Montessori's reflections on both love and observation. They are the fuel that inspire our pedagogy. Because observation is not just a technique, it's an act of love. It's how we truly see the child, how we build trust, understand their needs, and respond with intention. Dr. Montessori told us observation is the method, but let's be honest, sometimes it feels more like a mystery. In our upcoming session, I'll explore how observation with love will deepen your understanding of human development, reconnect you with your purpose as a Montessori guide, and align your daily practice with your deepest values, all through the lens of observation as a practice of love. As Dr. Montessori said, there is only one basis for observation. The children must be free to express themselves. So if this topic speaks to you, join me for Sarasota University's free Montessori Colloquium, July 15th at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. I'd love to see you there.